Have you ever wondered how websites, apps, and games actually work? Have you ever favorite apps like Instagram, or WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook? What do you when you tap or swipe? Well, behind every button, animation, feature, there's code. In today's video, we will dive deep into what coding actually is, why it's so powerful, and the different types of coding from web development to machine learning and beyond. So, if you are through machine learning and beyond, so if you are even though becoming a programmer, just curious about that happens behind the scenes, stick around till the end. Coding is also known as the programming. Is the process of giving instructions to a computer in a language it understands. Think of a computer like a superpower but completely literal minded machine. It doesn't think for itself. It only follows what you tell it do line by line. For example, if you tell to a robot to make tea, it won't know about means unless explain it. Boil water and add 2 layers pure into a cup. That's why coding words it breaking big tasks into logical step-by-step instructions. Now these instructions are written in programming languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, which acts as a bridge between humans and machines. When you write code, computer doesn't understand your English line syntax directly. It needs convert it into machine code. Those zeros and ones that the processor can execute. There are mainly types of it happens. Compilation. Some languages like C or Java your code into mission instructions before running. Interpreted. Languages like Python or JavaScript interpret the code line by line it runs. So whether compile or intro, it's all about turning your code into precious digital actions. Okay. This is the one of the most popular visible forms of coding. Web development is split into two slides. Front-end development, users see like buttons, layouts, and animation. It uses like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Back-end development, everything user don't see: servers, database authentication, and logic communication includes Python, PHP, Java, RPA, and so on. Software development coding. This is a traditional type of coding, creating software for computers. Languages like C++, Java, C, Java, or Python are often used to build complex applications from video games to desktop applications. Game development. Game developers bringing imagination to life through code. They use engines like Unity, CR, Unreal Engine, C++, code pages, graphics, and gameplay mechanics. How to start coding? If you are ready to start, here's a simple roadmap. Pick a beginner friendly language like Python or JavaScript, lines of basics, variable loads, functions, and logic. Build small projects, calculators, websites, simple games, join coding communities like GitHub or Reddit. Keep practicing, consistency key. So that's the world of coding and language that power our universe. Whether you are dream building the next viral app, designing smart robots, or securing the internet, coding is our gateway. If this video helpful, what you are really, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe more. Thanks for watching and happy coding. And thank you so much.